Many people give up on starting their own business before even giving it a true shot. We all have ideas, we believe we could be great, but for various reasons, we just don't act on them. Think about it. Every successful business begins with just one idea. What often sets people apart is simply the choice to move forward while others just pull back. We tend to create a divide between those who succeed and those who don't. In truth, the difference is just one person had the determination to chase their ideas while the other person gave up before they even began. By the way, if you enjoy these topics about starting, buying, and growing businesses, please don't forget to subscribe. It is extremely helpful. Anyway, so going back to what I was saying, many people give up on starting their own businesses before they even begin because they struggle with the mental challenge of it. They often view the idea of running a business as tough, filled with hard work and risk. It can seem overwhelming with so many parts to manage. Life feels easier when there's a clear starting point and an end point, but a business has many beginnings and often no clear finish. You need to adjust your thinking to see that starting a business is about taking one step at a time. It's easy to feel swamped by everything you think you need to do to kick things off, but sometimes you just need to focus on the one thing you need to start so that you can begin your journey. How we view an idea affects whether or not we take action on it. Don't hold yourself back before you even start. Often we are our biggest critics and create our own self-doubt. You won't achieve anything great unless you first believe in yourself and what you want to do. If you lack that belief, you'll find excuses to quit. This is similar to how we handle our relationships. If you're not searching for solutions, you're only making things worse. Starting a business can be an exciting and nerve-wracking adventure. It takes courage, dedication, and a lot of hard work. But despite all of the potential rewards, many people never even take the first step towards starting their own business. So why is that? Let's explore some of the reasons why this happens. One of the main reasons why people give up before they can even start is because of fear. Fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of not being good enough. These fears can paralyze and can prevent people from even trying to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams. It's important to remember that failure is part of the journey to success and that everyone starts from somewhere. Don't let fear hold you back from pursuing your passion. Another reason why people give up before they can start their own business is lack of confidence. Starting a business requires a certain level of self-belief and confidence in your abilities. If you don't believe in yourself, it can be hard to take that first step towards entrepreneurship. Remember, you are capable of achieving great things, and don't let self-doubt get in the way of those dreams. Financial concerns are a major reason why people give up before they start their own business. Starting a business can require a significant amount of investment, time, and money, and not everyone has the resources to support their entrepreneurial endeavors. But remember, there are always creative ways to finance your business, and don't let financial concerns deter you from pursuing your dreams. I always say, if you want to start a business, start it now, worry about the money later. You can start small and you can grow your business over time. Looking back on my own journey, I realized that money worries were a major stressor for me. I vividly remember refinancing my house to free up cash to invest into my first business. I was willing to do whatever it took to get started because I truly believed in my idea and I knew I would do everything in my power to succeed. Taking risk is part of the process. Without them, there are no rewards. So if you believe in what you're doing, you should do everything you can to make it happen. Another reason? Lack of direction and planning. This can also be a roadblock for people who want to start their own business. Without a clear plan and a vision for your business, it can be so easy to feel overwhelmed, unsure of where to even start. So what you should do is take the time to research and develop a solid plan that outlines your goals, your target market, your strategies for success, all of that. Having a roadmap will help you stay focused and motivated on your entrepreneurial journey. For example, when I chose to jump into the trucking business, I was a total newbie. I tuned into YouTube to learn everything I could. It helped me figure out my path and what I needed to do. I made extensive plans before I began. As a business owner, having a solid plan and a vision is so crucial. There's a saying that goes, if you don't prepare, you're preparing to fail. Success isn't just about luck. It's about being ready and having a clear idea what you want for your business. Another one, procrastination. Procrastination is another common reason why so many people give up before they start their own business. It's easy to get caught up in the day-to-day task and put off taking the first step towards starting your business. Remember, time is of the essence, and the longer you wait, the longer it will take to achieve your goals. Take action today and start turning your dreams into reality. Another reason why people don't start their businesses is because of a lack of support. A lack of support can be a major reason why people give up before they start their own business. Surrounding yourself with a network of like-minded individuals who can support and encourage you along the way is so crucial for your success. Find mentors, join networking groups, and seek out resources that can help you on your entrepreneurial journey. Don't be afraid to ask for help and lean on others for guidance and support. So, how do we get over the fear, the lack of confidence, and the financial concerns? These are all real concerns, right? The only way to look past those concerns is to understand the reason why you wanted to start your business in the first place. The reality is, there are a multitude of reasons why someone would want to start a business. One reason would be to pursue a passion. Many people start businesses because they want to turn a passion or a hobby into a career, a profitable one. Whether it's baking, photography, tech innovation, fashion design, or fitness, entrepreneurship allows individuals to work on something they truly care about. If you are passionate about something, then why wouldn't you want to turn that passion into a career? It's much better than doing a 9-to-5 job that you are not passionate about. I remember being at my corporate job, staring outside my window, and simply daydreaming about being my own boss, setting my own hours, or doing nothing. Those are the perks of being an entrepreneur or running your own business. The other reason you would want to start your own business is to be your own boss. One of the most common reasons to start a business is the desire to have control over your own destiny and your time. Entrepreneurs enjoy the autonomy that comes with making decisions about the businesses they operate, what products to sell, and how to manage their own company. Owning a business means you get to choose your direction, build your brand, and craft your work environment without having to answer to a boss or follow someone else's rule. You decide when to go on vacation. You decide when it's time to come into the office. Instead of sticking to someone else's schedule, you have the flexibility to create your own. Another reason why you might want to start your own business is because you want to generate wealth by earning a lot of money. Unlike salary jobs where income is fixed, business owners can potentially earn much more based on the success of their business. If your business is doing well, all that profit will flow directly to you. As the business owner, you take all the risk, so you get all the reward. Accumulating wealth is one of the main reasons why business owners start their own businesses. Once your business is profitable, you can do as you feel fit. You can reinvest profits into the business, manage expenses, and focus on strategies to increase revenue and profitability. The financial control is a key reason for becoming an entrepreneur. It's simple. You keep all the rewards as a business owner. When you work for someone else, your salary is often capped and your financial growth is limited. But when you're the boss, the sky is the limit. By building a successful business, you have the ability to exponentially increase your income and accumulate wealth. This can open doors to opportunities that were previously out of reach, such as investing in real estate, stocks, or other ventures that can further grow your wealth. Another reason you may want to start your own business is so that you can enjoy a luxurious lifestyle and enjoy the perks of your success. The first thing we usually think about when we are thinking about success is people enjoying themselves and living carefree without worrying about the burdens of financial stress or the ups and downs of everyday struggles to meet the needs of your family. The first thing we usually think about when we are thinking about success is people enjoying themselves and living carefree without worrying about the burdens of financial stress or the ups and downs of everyday struggles to meet the basic needs of your family. We do things not just for ourselves, but for the ones we care about the most. So if we become successful, it is natural to want to reward the ones that help us on our journey and our loved ones. Plus, the sense of accomplishment that comes from building something from the ground up is truly unmatched. These are some of the reasons why people give up. There are many reasons why people give up before they even start their own business. But with determination, perseverance, and a clear vision, you can overcome these obstacles and turn your entrepreneurial dream into a reality. Remember, the only way to fail is to never try. So take the first step today and start building the business of your dreams. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.